Hello and welcome to the Daily Message. Today is the last daily message for the calendar year 2019. And so on this day, I invite us all to take some time in solitude to reflect on the year that is ending today. That we especially take time to give thanks to God for all of God's blessings to us through this past year. Whether it be the blessing of life, the blessing of health, of work, of home, food and clothing, of education, and especially I invite us to give thanks for the gift of the people in our lives, families and friends, relationships both new and old, that we give thanks for the world in which we live, the world that gives us sunlight and warmth and coolness, and which gives us so much beauty, God's beauty on this earth. And so as we give thanks for 2019, let's also look forward to the year upcoming, 2020, and commit ourselves to continuing to do the work of Christ in the world, to continue to do the work of being more human by being more loving, more forgiving, more merciful, more desirous of unity, more desirous of justice and mercy, more desirous of peace in our world. I thank you for all the times you have watched and listened to the daily message over the past year. I thank you for that, and I hope that I can continue to offer some messages that will help us to reflect and to grow closer to ourselves, to each other, and to our God. Thank you very much, and Happy New Year.